Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking black sauce pork ribs with eggs and mushrooms. This home-cooked comfort food is tasty and simple, no skills required. The combination of sweet braising sauce, eggs, juicy mushroom and the tender pork ribs is a match made in heaven. The addition of cinnamon sticks, star anise, ginger and garlic gives this dish an almost delicious herbal flavor. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. First, we need to blanch the pork ribs. So blanching helps to remove the blood and other impurities. It also helps to remove the gamey smell of the ribs, thus making the taste cleaner. So just put it in water and then bring it to almost boil. So when it's almost boiled, you can see that the scums gather on top. This is a time for us to take out the ribs. Okay, so I normally wash the ribs one at a time to remove any scum that is stuck in or on the ribs. Okay, so the next step is to arrange them in a single layer and pat dry the pork ribs using our kitchen paper. The aromatics that I will be using are this ginger slices, which I've cut into thin slices like so, and 50 grams of garlic cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 5 star anise. Okay, this is 8 shiitake mushrooms which I've been soaking in hot water for half an hour, and I've also cut out the hard woody stalk. The sauces are dark caramel sauce. Use this dark caramel sauce because it gives it a very rich dark color instead of the regular dark soya sauce. This is 4 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, let's cook the ribs. 1 tablespoon of oil, bring it to a high temperature and put in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix the brown sugar with the oil. We are going to brown our ribs. So arrange it in one layer. I'm cooking it in 2 batches. It's always best to brown the ribs before braising, as this makes the ribs look more attractive and adds extra flavor to it. So the browning is very fast, just takes about 30 seconds on each side. You can see the beautiful golden brown color. Okay. Right, so then you wait for another 30 minutes on the other side. And after that has elapsed, take it out and then cook the second batch, just the same way as we have cooked the first batch. Okay, this is the second batch, browned on both sides. Reintroduce back the first batch together with the lovely juices. Add in our shiitake mushrooms, ginger slices, garlic cloves, cinnamon stick and star anise. So add in our sauces as well, caramel sauce, soya sauce and oyster sauce. Add in 1.5 liters of water first. We are braising it, stewing it, so we are not cooking soup. So 1.5 liters will be sufficient for a start. Okay, cover it and stew it for about 40 minutes. I use a Dutch oven as it is more suitable for this particular braising process. So 40 minutes later, it looks something like this. So I will add another half liter of water so that I'll be able to submerge the eggs that I'm going to add here. So there are 12 hard-boiled eggs that I have added. So try to make space for these eggs so that they will be completely submerged in the dark braising liquid. So we want the eggs to be brown as well. So stew it for another 30 minutes. We add the eggs last because we do not want to overcook the eggs. So 30 minutes later, we will then add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. Then mix well. Hey, our black sauce pork ribs is ready. This heartwarming goodness is best enjoyed spooned over steamed rice or spooned over noodles or with a bowl of piping hot porridge. This dish is one of the most popular and treasured Chinese dishes we have inherited. This easy-to-prepare dish uses simple ingredients, has been cooked with heartfelt love in many Chinese kitchens. Do give this dish a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!